Hello everyone, we are here in Scotland. We are in the very north west side of Scotland, a place called Stackpoldar, if I've pronounced that correctly. I doubt I have, but there you go. We are Friday evening. Saturday morning we are really praying for some half decent weather. Would love a sunrise. We don't know, but I'm hopeful. We had a really nice sunset tonight. It wasn't amazingly colourful, but it was lovely. The sun was going down, hazy sunshine. Gave us some nice orange glow on the way here, but we're parked now.
Hello.
Oh, hello. Our tea's ready.
Okay.
We got Richard and Tracy in the camper van next door, and he's been very kind and made us dinner.
Oh,
let me have a look.
Lovely neighbours you are. Well done your dinner.
Well, just put the tray down a bit. Let's have a look. Oh, look at that, enchiladas. Lovely old job. Thank you very much, sir.
Hot, you know you're all right.
Oh no, they're all right.
We'll join you later.
Come
God.
join us later.
Yeah, we're coming to join you in a little while.
Join us.
Thank you, Richard.
You're welcome.
Blimey, governor. Look at that.
Enjoy them.
Done in the oven.
Oh,
Hey?
wow.
You can enjoy, mate. Thank you
Never
very
got
much.
another.
Oh, yum, yum.
Wow.
So, Richard's been a very kind young man and cooked us enchiladas. What an amazing chap he is. Look at that. Well, I'm gonna enjoy my enchiladas that Richard has cooked for us, and we shall catch you later. Bye bye for now. Oh, good morning. We're at Stackpoldar. Stackpoldar. I'm not sure how you pronounce it, but I'm sure the Scottish will correct me. But look outside the window. We didn't obviously make it today. So what we're going to do is travel around here, and the place we're at is called Assynt, A-S-S-Y-N-T. But we are in a stunning place. It is beautiful, but it's all hit and miss at the moment. We're getting a lot of variable weather Yesterday was quite nice. Unfortunately, we had to travel from Glencoe. Glencoe was awful. It was like this in the morning, and then it all brightened up and it was stunning and it was beautiful. And we then went to a place where they do the Harry Potter movie, which is the viaduct, wasn't it? And we're now going to move on in the rain. So while it's raining this morning, we're just going to have a little wander around and see what we can see, really, which at the moment isn't a lot because it's really misty. So I'm hoping that the beach, it might be a less misty area going on. So we're going to head off to the beach. So we'll see you there. Beach now, which is a stunning beach. I'll just show you. Lovely rocky beach, and you can see Mount Sullivan, which is over there, and I'll point that there, and over here you see the peak, and I believe, I'm not 100% sure, but I believe that might be Poldar, and I'm going to head off down to this location here where you've got some beautiful rocks, lovely rock formations, and I'm hoping that they're going to point towards this mountain here so I can get a composition. Now, I've never been here before. The clouds are looking quite amazing actually. They're really nice and moody, just how I like them. So yeah, we got some rocks down here as well which will point that way as well, but I think I prefer these ones over here, so we're going to go over there and see what we get from there. I'm going to be using an EOS-R, the Canon EOS-R. I have got my 5DS with me, but I don't know, I'm really loving this. I'm really loving this EOS-R, and I'm going to be shooting with the EOS-R. I've got my tilt shift lens as well, which is a Canon 17mm tilt shift lens. You'll probably be wondering, that's not it. That's the 17mm to 40mm lens, and I'm putting that on because I don't know what focal length I need yet, so that's the reason for me to do that. I've got a circular polarizer on, Lee circular polarizer. This is the 100mm filter system. I do have the 150 system for the 17mm tilt shift lens, and these are my filters strapped to my bag and strapped to the tripod. And yeah, while the light is looking relatively okay, we're going to head out and do a nice shoot. Okay, so here we are, doing a 30-second exposure at this place. I've got a rock here, and the rock is, ooh, look down there, and we're right teetering off the edge here, but it should, by rights, make for a nice photograph, and all that scenery in front of us, the foreground, and scenery in the background, looking rather nice. And we got Amanda Seminarios right behind me, sneaking up behind me. I didn't realise you were there. You alright? Yeah, it's beautiful here, and all around, isn't it? Alright, so we found this amazing location, or I have. It just doesn't get better than this. Lovely seagrasses here. You've got a beach, Scottish beach, and then you've got the mountains all in the background there, and it's just stunning. I tell you honestly, I am in my absolute element being here. It's just amazing, 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 amazing. I've already taken some shots. I've come to the end of this beach, and it's just phenomenal. Anyway, what we've done, and what I'm going to do, is I'm going to do a portrait panoramic shoot. Now I've set my tripod up to the bubble. You can't see the bubble there, unfortunately. There's a bubble behind there. Let me see if I can get a view of it here. There's a bubble there, but the bubble is bang in the middle, okay, which is what it wants to be, so it's nice and level. And then what I'm going to do now, you probably excuse the wind, because the wind, I'm hoping that the wind's not too bad, but what I'm doing now is basically getting the picture, and I'm going to go from there to there. Okay, so there's going to be a panoramic from there to there, because some of the mountain ranges there are so stunning. I need to get them in. I feel I need to get them in. However, if I feel later on that actually, you know what, this is awesome, then I'll just take that shot there. But the grasses at the moment are really drawing me into this, because they're beautiful. So we're going to take the first shot, and I'm going to do it. I've got a 6-stopper on, and I've also got a 2-stop graduated filter, and also a circular polarizer 2. What I want to do is give a little bit of movement to these grasses, because as you can see, they're blowing around in the wind. So I want to add that effect to my image, and the way I'm going to do that is to put it onto manual mode. So go to manual, and then once I've got it onto manual, I want to roughly get around about 30 seconds, if that. So probably about 20 seconds, and to achieve that I will need f11, and that will give me 1/20th of a second at ISO 50. So that's what I've got. That's my aim. So 20 seconds will give me the nice movement I want, and I'm just going to test that just to see that that is true and I've got what I want. Now I'm leveled up, as you can see on my but I'm loving using this camera. It's been absolutely stunning. It's a stunning camera to use, and I sadly have put away my my 5DS, which is pretty bad really, because you've got 50 megapixels of stunningness going on there. Anyway, I'm going to take the next shot while I'm talking to you. I'm going to do about 7 shots all round, roughly, and then I'm going to stitch them together in Lightroom. Now what I'm doing, by the way, is I'm using half the image, so I'm panning around halfway off the next image, off the next shot, and using that as my key. Right, so example, this section here, this little lump here that you see, that's going to be my half image. Now I'm not even going to go that, I'm going to go there, and now I'm going to take another shot. And this is how you do panoramics. Everything's got to be level, absolutely dead level. Your tripod must be level, and your camera, if it's pointing the way it is now, which is a portrait mode, you get a lot more shots in the image when you've stitched it together, meaning you're going to get a shed load more detail in the image as well. So all that glorious detail. Now we're going to go half again, so move the camera halfway again, to there and take the shot. Now I've got 22 seconds. I believe the movement in the grasses are going to look quite nice. I think they'll look really nice actually. So I'm looking forward to this. This is a stunning beach. I'm still going to have a look around to see if I've got more compositions to play with, but this could be it. I can see a few bits over there, but I don't know how that's going to work for me. So we'll just carry on. And now I'm going to move again to there. And I'm going to take the shot. And that should be roughly about right. So I should have the shots I want, but I want to check them anyway. So we'll see how that goes. So let's have a quick look. Yeah, that's nice. That's nice. So you're getting tips of the grasses nice and soft. You're getting cloud movement, which is not too much, but it's enough so you can see the cloud. And the cloud is dramatic, so you don't really want a lot of movement in that cloud. It's enough. Look at that. Beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Happy New Year everyone, by the way. This is Saturday morning. Well, actually it's Saturday afternoon, isn't it? Yes, 10 past 2 already. Wow, 10 past 2 on a Saturday afternoon. And it is what, 28th of December, 28th, 29th, no, it's 29th today. So it's 29th. I have to think, because you lose days up here in this place. What a place, what a place. We haven't got the snow, but you know, who cares? Look at what we got. Absolutely phenomenal. And I'm going to hang around and look around for a composition, another composition. So talk to you soon. Bye for now.